Okay, letter well received. So,
thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
I really appreciate you.
Thank you. God bless you, sir.
just coming in before we go is the principal officer and Honorable Chad Council, the deputy majority leader.
You're welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
We appreciate it.
Additional James. Daddy has already addressed us.
Daddy at my age.
You are not a father.
Yes.
You are a father to all.
Thank you very much.
In as much we are all under you. So that is why we just need to come here and present to you how we felt. So, and I'm really...
We are here to make it hasten up. To hasten up what the police are doing. We commend the police. We are not saying they are not working. They are working. And this is a matter the House of Assembly are also aware of. So we are here to let them know we are not backing down and we are not relaxing on it. So also they should give the police the necessary support they need to make this thing being done on time. Thank you.
So what's your name again? So what's your demand, sir?
Our demands are they should carry out phone forensic. They should investigate the CCTV in that estate, in Mohbad estate where he resides. They should investigate that. And my demand, I am not teaching the police force their work. The 15 people that are inside that apartment should be called up for investigation because they have a lot to answer as Mohbad's death. Thank you.
So, let's get to meet you and know the reason why you're out. We know that the issue of Mohbad has been on for some time now. And we know that the police, in fact, the last press briefing the police did was under the newly promoted AIG, who was then Commissioner of Police in Lagos State. We were all there when he said investigation is on the matter and all of all that. So why are you on the streets today?
Today is another Mohbad inquest day, according to Imolenisation. But we are here to let the masses know that the guy in question has not been buried, and we are looking for justice for him. We are seeking for justice that we want to know the cause of the death of this guy. What is the cause? That is the question we are asking. So we are begging everybody in our government to please rise up. Let's know what killed Mohbad.
Joseph, Chairman, Public Account State, and I have here Honorable Stephen Ogundikpe, Chairman's Committee on Information. I have here Honorable Temitope Adewale Ja, representing the good people of Ikeja and Chairman's Committee on Transport. I have here Honorable Aro Moshood, Chairman House Committee on Public-Private Partnership, representing the good people of Ikorodu. And I have here Honorable Samuel Akpata, representing the good people of Shomolu Constituency 02. So, like I will respond to you, yes, protest is your right, but we ensure that it must be a peaceful protest. I want to appreciate you for this peaceful demonstration. So now our response to you, like you have said, you brought a letter. We are going to deliver your letter to the leadership of the House, and we assure you we will take up the matter, we will investigate the matter, and we will look into it. And one thing we stand for too is justice. We will make sure that justice is delayed, because what we want in our state is a peaceful coexistence, an egalitarian society where everybody will live and be happy and be secured. That is why we are here to serve you. And we appreciate you that you are coming to the Lagos State House of Assembly. We are the representative of the people. So be rest assured, you have been heard, and necessary actions will be taken. We will communicate necessary contacts. I will communicate to the leadership of the House, and necessary actions will be taken. So we appreciate you for coming. And please, anytime you want to protest, we will like this peaceful protest. Thank you very much.